Guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can recreate Lisa's Met Gala 2025 look in Dress to Impress without a VIP. Okay, let's get into it, guys. First of all, you can wear this hairstyle. Okay, and then you're going to go to this shirt area, and then we're going to wear this suit. Okay, and then change the pattern. You can apply this pattern. All right, and then I'm going to go to the shoes area, and then I'm going to wear this shoe. Okay, now let's move to the stocking area, and then we're going to wear this item and change the toggle to thick and choose the second toggle. Okay, and then we're going to go to the area. Okay, and then grab this item, and then I'm going to change the color to white. Okay, the next one, we're going to go to the necklace area, and then we're going to wear this necklace and change the toggle. You can choose the toggle 2, and I'm going to color the second selection with this brown color. Alright, and let's move to the dressing room. We're going to wear Sabrina Carpenter dress. Go to the currency item, and we're going to wear this one, and then apply the same pattern. And wait, let me remove the kiss, and we're going to change the toggle to second toggle. And for the next selection, you can apply the black color. All right, and the last item we need to wear is this bag. Okay, then I'm going to change the pattern. Okay, I'm just going to apply the wait, I'm gonna apply this pattern. Oops, sorry. For the second selection, I'm just going to make it black like this. Okay, guys, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.